Hello and welcome to the January 5th, 2010 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Boley, Invested Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Well, today we are featuring EV3 Inc., ticker symbol EVVV. This is a $1.5 billion healthcare company that operates as an endovascular company that focuses on identifying and treating peripheral vascular disease, including lower extremity arterial disease and neurovascular disease. If you look at the chart technically, you can see that off of the late January lows, the stock was trading just a little bit above $4, and literally within about 6 months, in late July, this probably coincided with their earnings. But we saw the gap up, the stock traded over $13. So really, the stock price tripled over about a 6-month period, and as a result, it was overbought, needed a little bit of time to consolidate, and that's what we've seen, at least that's what we saw through the remainder of 2009. Now, in the last couple of weeks of the year, we did see it break out again, and on this breakout above about $13.40, somewhere in that neighborhood, notice down here it did pick up in volume to confirm that breakout. The MACD also moved to a recent high, so I think most of the technicals were lining up very, very strong on EVVV. And just recently now, over the last week, we have actually pulled back, gotten close to this trend line that you can see, this uptrending line, and also the prior resistance, which now becomes support. So if we take a look at EVVV from a risk-reward perspective, this is a nice entry area because, again, if it breaks back to the upside and continues this uptrend, then we've got some nice profits. And if it breaks down below the trend line, especially if it breaks back below the 50-day moving average with increasing volume, then we'd have some caution. About a week or so ago, on this move up to around $14 or just under $14, you'll see that the RSI hit 70, stochastics were up in the 90s, so stock was very, very overbought in the near term and needed a pullback, which it's gotten here recently. Notice the pullback, though, did come back on very, very light volume, and now as it appears to be poised to move back up, we start to see the volume pick up again. So we do like this one here in the near term, but keep your stops in place. Okay, I want to thank you for stopping by. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at InvestedCentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.